Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Latitude 3410. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a situation where your Dell Latitude 3410 only charges when you hold the cable at a specific angle, you're not alone. This is a common problem that often arises due to a worn-out charging jack. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage to the internal components or a complete failure to charge, leaving you with a dead laptop. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement charging jack compatible with the Dell Latitude 3410. First, let's ensure you're safe while opening your device. Begin by turning off the laptop and unplugging it from any power source. You should also remove the battery if possible. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the casing around the base of the laptop. Take your time with this step to avoid any damage to the clips. Once the casing is removed, locate the charging jack, which is usually situated near the power input, attached to the motherboard. You may need to unscrew a few screws to access it properly. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the jack, noting their positions for reassembly. When extracting the old charging jack, use the tweezers to grasp it gently, ensuring that you do not apply excessive force that could damage the surrounding components. Replace it with a new charging jack, making sure it sits securely in place. Reconnect the cables exactly as they were before. Secure everything back with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so to avoid stripping the threads. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, carefully replace the casing and power on your laptop to check if it charges correctly. Prevention is key to avoiding this issue in the future. Always handle your charging cable with care, avoid pulling on it when unplugging, and consider using a surge protector to prevent damage from power surges. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.